Request type, access for request access. Who did it? I did it. Okay, what are the date when it was submitted? And what is the approved it? Why it is approved? Because I said I need a auto-approved. It shouldn't go to my manager because this is not a critical application. So once it is approved, this request ID, it will generate a task. Click on the task. The task ID is now auto-generated. That is 9 to 1. And what is the task type? It is a new account. And to whom? See, the status is new and it is raised for this user. What is the security system name? This is the security system is showing and this is the endpoint it is showing. Okay. Now we have to process this request. Once you process this request, the user will get account in the database DB account database. Okay. So minimize. There is two ways you can pass this request ID. Okay. I'll now simple what you can do. Go back to again. Right. When you open a new tab, click on duplicate. How duplicate doesn't work. Or else simple. You can click this admin plus control button. What happened? It's not coming up. Okay, let me. Simple click on this admin menu. Okay, it is coming. So we raise a request for this user, right? How we can get the request back? We lost it right now again. Go to this Rs menu. So once the request was raised, I believe it was auto-approved and it is generated a task. The task was something 9 to 1. How you can view it? Simple. Go to again request history. This request history. Okay, click here. See this request ID. You can see in the top it is showing. And the request is completed, but it has generated task. How you can view the task? Either you can click here and get the task ID or click on the task. Go to pending task. Okay, because the task is not completed yet. That is why it is coming on a pending task. So what was our application for database training? See, so there is only one request and this is the request. Okay, we have to process the request. Now what you can do, go to simple admin menu. Okay, here in the left we have a job control panel. Click it. And click the top menu. That is utility. And scroll down. You have provisioning job, WC, try job. Okay. Click on. Or simple click here. You have already a job created, right? You can utilize this job or, if you want, you can add a new job. Not an issue. So simple, click on Action Start. Here it will ask you what application you want to process. So in our case it is database CF write data. Based training CF. Okay. And what is again go down? Click on show less option. So to more option task type. It was a new account, right? We are provisioning a new account. And click on submit. So the job is running now, right? In the meantime, let me open the application log, also side by side. Okay, keep it ready. Let the job finish. Then I can, grab the log and see what is happening here. Okay, so the job is process this WC try job. Okay, it is done. Let me go to the application log. And grab the log. Okay. So the log is here. Keep it inside and let's see whether our task is process or not. Go to this some other menu. Click on Erase again. Go to Pending Task and click on Pending Task. So you see still, the user is still here, right? It doesn't process at all. So we got an error, right? If you scroll right and see what is the error, it is showing. Just click this button. Error while creating account in 72° account. Okay, value. See this. Couldn't column count doesn't match value. Count at row 1. See, it is asking we are passing too many column value. But it is expecting only ID, email, first name 3, 4, 5, but our value it has more. Okay, that is why it is failed. So let's see how many column actually we are passing. Are we passing more column? So it is telling we are passing ID, email, first name, last name, username, right, 5 column actual, real. We have in the database ID, email, first name, last name. Username. Okay, ID, first name. Oh, we have more, actually less, mean drag little down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have right first name, last name, email, username and ID. First name, last name, email, username, ID, right. So we pass one attribute to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have. That is why it is throwing error. Okay, so we got some repeated attribute like, so delete this attribute. Okay. So this attribute, it is under single code. Okay, from here to here. Okay. Simple delete this attribute, or let me come back here in our thing, where we prepared this right. So this first name. It is repeated that you would okay delete this attribute. Okay. See, last name is also a duplicate attribute. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have no, okay, again, copy this attribute. Okay. Come back to your, create a congestion, delete it, paste it. And save that connection. Now let's again run the job. Come back here. So the task is a letter of right now. Come back to again. It will process the task. Okay, no worries. Click the double C dry job. Accent start. Here choose database training safe. So more option if new account. OK, see the number of parallel process.